Number he arrived at approaches the computational capacity of the observable universe itself. Now, I want to be precise here because precision matters. This is an estimate based on known biology and established quantum physics. It is not a claim that life literally equals the universe in computing power. It is a calculation showing that biology collectively across time has operated at a scale that is cosmologically significant. And Currien's own words, when asked about this result, it's awe-inspiring that we get to play such a role. Not interesting, not remarkable, awe-inspiring. A physicist at Howard University looking at the mathematics of what life has been doing inside every cell on this planet used the word awe. That's not accidental. And then there's what Oxford and the University of Chicago confirmed, making this the moment everything converges. Scientists took ordinary fluorescent proteins, the kind that make jellyfish glow, the kind every biology lab uses as markers, and demonstrated they function as quantum bits, qubits, the same unit of computation that Google and IBM spend billions of dollars trying to manufacture in cryogenic labs. These proteins were functioning as qubits at room temperature inside living bacterial cells. The Oxford team used directed evolution on a protein from the oat plant to engineer Maglev-2, a biological quantum sensor so sensitive it can detect single magnetic field changes at the cellular level. And researcher Gabriel Abrahams said something I cannot stop thinking about. He said, "What blows me away is the power of evolution. We don't yet know how to design a really good biological quantum sensor from scratch, but by carefully steering the evolutionary process in bacteria, nature found a way for us. Nature found a way for us." A quantum physicist at Oxford, looking at what proteins can do, said nature found a way. That phrase is going to matter in about 3 minutes. Now let's talk about what this means specifically for your brain. Those microtubules Currien studied, the protein scaffolding running these quantum superradiant networks, they are densely concentrated in neurons. Your brain contains roughly 86 billion neurons, each one containing thousands of microtubules, each microtubule packed with tryptophan networks operating at quantum speeds. This connects to something that two of the most credentialed scientists alive have been arguing for 30 years, and that the scientific establishment has largely ignored. Sir Roger Penrose, Oxford mathematician and Nobel Prize winner; Stuart Hameroff, anesthesiologist and consciousness researcher at the University of Arizona.